One word that I would describe Michael as would be outgoing.
So my one word to describe Michael would be faithful.
Inspiring.
Dedicated.
Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
Faithful.
Inspirational.
Comforting.
Mentor.
Legendary.
Muscular.
Athletic.
Humble.
Encourager.
Steadfast.
Selfless.
Enthusiastic.
Compassionate.
Blessed.
Righteous.
Kind.
See, whenever I think of Michael Bates, I think of like how fun he is. Like whenever we in youth group, whenever we do all the games and fun activities and happy birthday, Michael.
Unimaginable.
Shepherd of the flock.
And cream of the crop.
Michael Bates, you are tenacious. I know that you've done a lot of things through the years that I've watched you do, like a low-fat diet, and that's just it. You're just locked in. You're going to do that. And then maybe you're going to a marathon, and so out the door goes the low-fat diet, and you're just eating whatever you want because you're running so much that it just burns it up as soon as it hits your body. Well, now you're on the Spartan races, and you are a beast. Happy birthday, old man. I love you, and I hope you have a great day.